Ducks, those friendly and familiar water-loving birds, have a treasure trove of captivating facts that make them truly remarkable. With their varied species, charming behaviors, and special features, ducks are a source of wonder for nature enthusiasts of all ages. Ducks come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, from the well-known mallards to the colorful wood ducks. There are over 120 different kinds, each with its own look and personality. One of the coolest things about ducks is how much they love the water. Their webbed feet and sleek bodies make them amazing swimmers, whether in calm ponds or rushing rivers. Did you know that some ducks are super travelers? They embark on long journeys between where they breed and where they spend the winter. These incredible trips showcase their determination and ability to find their way across vast distances. Ducks enjoy a mix of foods, which can include plants like water lilies and algae, insects like bugs and larvae, small fish, and even grains and seeds. They're adaptable eaters, selecting their meals based on their environment and what's available. Whether they're munching on aquatic plants in the water or foraging for insects on land, ducks have a diverse diet that helps them stay healthy and active. Ducks love to chat. They make all sorts of sounds, from quacks to whistles. These sounds help them talk to each other, whether it's for finding a mate, warning about danger, or just hanging out. When it's time for love, male ducks put on quite the show. They show off their colorful feathers and do fancy dances to impress the ladies. It's like a feathered dance party. Ducks are great parents too. Mama ducks lay their eggs in safe spots near water, and when they hatch, she leads her fluffy ducklings to the water. It's like a big family adventure. When ducks fly in a V-shaped formation, it's not just for looks. This formation helps them fly efficiently and save energy during their long flights. Teamwork really does make the dream work. Ducks find shelter in different places depending on their habitat. They often look for safe spots near water, like tall grasses, reeds, or shrubs, where they can hide from predators and rest. Some ducks even build their nests in tree cavities or burrows. Being close to water is important for them, as they can quickly escape danger and find food. Ducks are resourceful when it comes to finding cozy spots to rest and raise their ducklings. Duck's lifespan can vary depending on its species and the challenges it faces in its environment. On average, wild ducks might live around 2 to 5 years. However, some ducks can live longer, reaching up to 10 years or more. Domesticated ducks, like those raised on farms or in backyard settings, often have a longer life span compared to their wild counterparts due to the safer and more controlled environment they live in. There are many different types of ducks, each with its own unique features and characteristics. For example, the mallard is one of the most common and recognizable ducks, with males displaying vibrant green heads and females having mottled brown plumage. The wood duck stands out with its colorful iridescent feathers and intricate patterns. Teal ducks, like the blue-winged teal and green-winged teal, are known for their small size and rapid flight. The Pekin duck, often raised for meat, is white with an orange bill. Muscovy ducks are distinctive due to their red facial skin and quiet nature. The northern shoveler is notable for its large spatula-shaped bill and shovel-like feeding behavior. These are just a few examples of the many duck species found around the world, each with its own traits that make it special. Their different types, quirky behaviors, and important roles in our world remind us of the incredible diversity and beauty of the animal kingdom. So next time you spot a duck, take a moment to appreciate all the incredible things that make them so amazing. Please share and subscribe.